What's up, lawn dogs? Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, me and my brother, we're social distancing, doing some sucker fishing today.
Yeah.
Stick around. He just caught one. I wasn't quite set up yet. He got here before me. Stick around. Watch some footage. See if we can get any more. Alright, I'll be right back. All right, lawn dogs, we're back. Day 2 of sucker fishing. My daughter, she's going to work. She don't get to go with me, but I am bringing my good luck charm today. There's my good luck charm. We're gonna see if we can't catch some sucker fish.
I ain't catching nothing.
She's not catching nothing. I'm bringing her as a good luck charm. She's my special. So we are gonna do this. We'll see how we do. Last time I got skunked. All right, check it out.
She never has.
Come on, baby, be on there. Can't tell. Oh yeah.
Got one?
Yep.
Oh boy.
You want the net?
Oh yeah, he's fighting too, dude.
Yeah, they're fighting good. You don't want to jerk too hard, rip off, rip through you.
Look at that.
Yep. Wow. And right up through here for you.
Yeah.
That's a good one. That's a red horse, looks like.
Oh,
About the
man.
same size as the one I had.
That's bigger.
That's a big one.
Yep. About the same size, ain't it?
No, it's bigger.
You think it's smaller than mine?
No, way bigger.
Oh my god. Yours ain't a red horse, though.
Uh-uh.
These are white.
Dude, he's huge. Landed.
Atta boy, pick it up.
Dude, he's way bigger than yours.
Hmm. He is bigger than mine. It is bigger than mine.
That's what she said.
When I saw it in the water, it looked about the same size, but it's definitely bigger.
Yeah, your camera. What? Not going skunk this time.
Oh.
It is heavy, man. It's like 40-pound fish.
Oh my gosh. You gotta grab it.
You ain't gotta grab it.
Here, lift it up so I can.
You're gonna rip
you
his
grab
poor
yours
little
when you
lip
took a
out.
picture.
I
Ripping,
took a few because I was trying to get it so it was
ripping
sideways,
lips.
so you guys should see it. That's a good one.
Dude, that's like mountable.
Stop. That ain't mountable.
Who puts a
Let's see how big it is.
who puts a sucker?
Let's see.
Dude, it's heavy.
No, it's at least
2 foot?
about 20 inches. 21 inches.
25.
No, they ain't.
Yeah, yeah.
My shoes are 11.
Dude, I got a scale in there. You want me to weigh them?
Yeah.
He's in their bag.
Jeffrey, get him back in the water.
Here.
Oh. That might be 20. Might be about.
I caught him on the big hook too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it up though. Like that. I'll take a good picture of it. Maybe it's gonna get muddy and dirty anyway.
Yeah.
Try to wipe the mud off it. Maybe get a picture of it.
Yeah, hey, dude. He's gone. He's gone.
Oh my god. Wait, oh my god, that. The fish is jumping out. I got a picture of the fish jumping out of his hand.
Hey lawn dogs, so there you go, some sucker fishing. We're going to be doing a lot of that because we have nothing else better to do. Probably going to go out tonight, maybe tomorrow, but maybe not tonight. Anyway, I caught a my brother caught a red tail, I caught a white tail. Mine was way bigger than his, which is always the case in everything. But anyway, hey, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to do a little, well, I'm not doing nothing. I'm still grounded from the world. So anyway, hey, always give maximum effort. Go make that green, those who can, and be kind to everyone. It's Floyd, I'm out. We'll see you next time.